Yes, dear students. Yes, dear students. I am going to discuss today the question and answers of chapter 3. So the first question is, why did the wolf think it was not wise to attack the house dog? So dear student, the wolf thought that it was not wise to attack the house dog because the dog was strong enough. He looks very strong and maybe it hurts back to him. Okay? Now the next question is, do you agree with the dog's remark that life in the wood was very difficult for him? Give reason for your answer. So, what was the dog remarks for the life in the woods? It can be of different answers. The dog was remarked that life in the wood was very much difficult because he was in the habit of living in a house. So he has not to manage the things. All the food was managed by his owners. So they will provide them the things to eat. So he was eating a good food without doing any effort. That's why he feel that the life in the woods was very difficult because they have to manage it. The animals, those who are living in the woods. What did the dog advise the wolf to go to get food like he did? The dog advised the wolf to chase people who carry canes, bark at the beggars, fawn on the people of the home to get good food and care. Now the fourth question. What made the wolf feel like crying with joy? The thought of having a comfortable life like a house dog made the wolf feel like crying with joy. It means because he was thinking of a comfortable life and he was thinking that he get the good food and without doing any effort. That makes him cry with a joy. What made the wolf, this one we have discussed, what had chafed the skin on the dog's neck? So what were the marks that was on the dog's neck? The skin on the dog's neck was chafed by the collar. It was a collar by which on which the chain was fastened. Because he was a house dog, so always he has to wear the collar because a chain must be required for every of the house dog. Now the next question. Why did the wolf refuse to follow the dog's advice? The very important question of this chapter. The wolf refused to follow the dog's advice because for him, liberty was more valuable than all the comforts he could get by remaining in chains. Means while living in a house, he has to wear the chain and he has to follow the rules and regulations while living in a house. So while living in the woods, he was free. He was free to move anywhere. He was not to follow the rules or regulations. He can go anywhere, but he has to manage his food. So these are the things which he felt that more required while living in a house. Means he want to live in a house, but he don't want to follow the rules, which is very much required while living in a house. So these are the questions I have discussed, and A2 is a filling the blanks part, and this you have to fill it yourself. I will send the answers in the form of PDF, but without opening the PDF, try to solve the part A and 2. Okay.